A timeline for the sales process. So a question that I get often from people when selling their home is, what is the timeline of events or activities for the sales process? What should they expect? After working with lots of sellers here in Hillsborough County, it's a question that I get asked all the time. Hi, Denise Hubbard with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Well, we need to get the home ready for sale. You really need to be careful not to just slap the home on the MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers go into your home. So after we meet and you decide to list with us, we will give you an agreement to sign. Once we execute the agreement, we will then schedule an appointment with our stagers to come over and actually give you a recommendation on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home to get the maximum return on your investment. Now don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for this service, but it is essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money that you will get for your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. We also offer free partial staging of your home, and it costs you nothing. Once your home is in show-ready condition, then we will schedule our professional photographer and videographer to capitalize on all of the unique features of the home. Once we have the pictures and all of the videos, we will then work on all of the back-end digital marketing so that we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. We don't just put up a sign and put it up on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize, and it's like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Now, please know, by just posting your home on Facebook, on a Facebook page or on a business page, only about 3% of people are actually seeing it. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. And during this time, we also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going on to the multiple listing service. We also go over all of the disclosures with you, so we have these available for a buyer to actually look at so that they're fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. Now don't forget, we go onto all of the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we're there. And we've enhanced these sites to get optimum performance. Now that we're live, you can actually expect agents to be calling to take their clients through your home so that they can see it. The buyer's agents will accompany them, so don't worry about that. The time of year and the market conditions will determine how long it will take for your home to sell. Denise Hubbard with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Who you work with matters because you matter.